everyone, Derek Sockleben here, joined again by Tom Cogswell from Spektrum RC. We recently just released a new update for the iX12 AirWare app, and there was a lot of really cool features in that improved a lot of things. But you actually just informed me about a feature that's been there all along that I didn't even know about, but I think really makes a big difference in the kind of the user functionality of navigating the AirWare app.
Right.
So Tom, tell me about it.
So we got kind of a Easter egg bonus how-to here. There is a back button, right? But there's a way to use that back button that makes the user interface a lot more quick. And I'll kind of show you guys this. It's really cool. I really like it. And our software engineer, he's like, do you use the back button like this? I was like, what are you talking about? And he blew my mind. So I'll kind of blow your guys' mind here. So let's say we're navigating through the menu and we get really deep into it. Like let's say we're going to telemetry and we're setting up a telemetry function. We're going to volts and we go into here and we're like, oh, I need to go back to the main screen. If, instead of just tapping the back button here, that just takes you back to the back spot, the previous menu, if you press and hold the back button, it brings you straight back to the main menu, the main dashboard. It's magic.
Very, very simple. It's a very, very simple feature that I think will change a lot of people's user interface with.
Yeah, it makes it
radio,
real quick.
So
it's just something that I don't even know if it's really in the manual. So I thought we'd point it out.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay, so if you guys want to know more about the iX12, if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to stay up to date, and stay tuned.